don't know which one is faster. This in true Timbersports fashion, brakes on! This is the original STIHL MS400 CM, which came out about 4 or 5 years ago. And when it came out, I absolutely fell in love with it, mainly because of its trigger time. As soon as you press that throttle, you had instant power. But now STIHL are doing away with that saw and bringing out a brand new MS400.1. Now, we have already done 2 videos on this channel where Josh talked you through all the real detailed specifications, and I done the first test cuts where I sawed up an old oak tree. Now, in this one, I'm going to put them up against each other, yes, through softwood, through hardwood, some bore cuts, and really test them to see what is going on. But before we do that, let's remind you of some of the basic specs. So the new 400 isn't just replacing the old 400, it is also replacing the current 362. So it's replacing 2 saws on the market. Now, in a future video, we will also be putting the saw up against the 362. We just got to get our hands on one, which is new enough to be comparable. Now, we're also going to put it up against the 500i so that you can see the difference between what the 400 can do and the 500 can do, so you can make the right decision when purchasing your saw. But the interesting thing is that STIHL have brought out this new 400 in the middle of the 362 and the older 400, because the old 400 comes in at 66.8cc, but the new 400 only comes in at 62.6. But I believe the most important factor here is the fact that the new 400 comes in at 5.5 kilos, whereas the old 400 comes in at 5.8. And also the torque on this new saw is 4.3, whereas the old one was only 4.1. Thus leading to a better power to weight ratio. But to find out more about the specs, head back to Josh's video, which we will link at the end of this one. I think it's time we put them through some timber. Now, to keep all of our viewers happy, we have put brand new chains and brand new bars on the saws to make it as fair as possible. Right, first test is going to be into the softwood, then we'll do hardwood, then we'll do a bore cut. So this nice bit of spruce, let's chop it up. Right, old 400 up first. Let's warm her up first. Right, time for the new 400. I don't know which one is faster. Right, that was close. I haven't seen the timings yet. Now, I'm going to go down and up again. 2 cuts on each saw. Old one first. Right, let's move the softwood out of the way and we'll put in some nice hard ash. Right, so a nice 18-inch piece of ash, which only came down, 8 months ago. So it's perfect for this test. So let's dip in the original 400 and then try the new 400. You can definitely tell the torque difference. So STIHL certainly didn't lie when they said that this saw has more torque. So now let's jam the dog in teeth in and force it down through. All right. So just in case you found that boring, let's do a bore cut. One in there with the old saw, one in there with the new saw. Ho-ho! There wasn't much in that at all. I like that. Beautiful. So there's two things going on here. One, I needed some ballast on the other end of this log, so Josh has come to help me. Another thing, we're going to do this in true Timbersports fashion, bearing in mind we have been trained by Team GB in the Timbersports, so we're going to do the proper call in, and then I'm going to do one cut down, one cut up, like they do with the 661s in proper Timbersports. So, are you ready, compare?
I am.
You sure?
Yeah.
Excellent. Right, let's do it.
Warm up your saws. Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, the brakes on. I didn't think I put it on.
Oh, that's brilliant. Yeah,
Excellent.
we were trained by STIHL GB.
We forgot it all, but we were trained.
That's why we didn't go.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh dear.
Right, let's try again.
Right. Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go! The cut is good.
That is.
Yeah, it is.
I also don't think they use ash. They use poplar, which is a lot softer than this. Right, new 400.
Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go! The cut is good.
Right, let's go and round it up. Now my thoughts are probably the same as yours, and you thought the older 400 would outperform the new 400, simply because it is of a smaller CC. Now, I have gone back and reviewed all of our footage just to make sure that I was cutting everything the same, doing the same things, being super critical, as I know you guys would be anyway. But I wanted to make sure it was right, make sure I haven't favoured the new 400 over the old one. And all of our tests are exactly the same, bar one, which was where I was slightly different in my method when I was doing the torque test by pushing in the dogging teeth and sawing down through. It's just slightly different the way I'd done that. All the others were identical. So it just goes to show that this saw is awesome. Now, as I said before, I absolutely love that saw, and I thought, why does Stihl want to bring out a smaller CC version of it and also replace the 362? But now it all makes sense, because that is an absolute weapon to use. I super enjoy it. Now, the main reasons that I think excels the most is due to that weight and obviously the torque. You know, the weight is a massive advantage over that one. The power to weight ratio is so much better. It's going to be interesting to put it up against the 362 in a future video, and also the 500i to see where that sits. The torque, the looks, the weight, it is just all there in one bag. And as we said before, we had all the same bars and chains, brand new, straight out the boxes. Here's the old ones, so you can see them. Here's the old bars that came off them. You know, we made it exactly fair because I know none of you like it when we put 2 different bars and 2 different chains into a test, and especially when it's like for like saws like these are. But I think for everyone's concerns in previous videos in the comments saying that why would they bring out a smaller CCC saw has been answered. I don't think you've got any concerns at all. And when this lands in your subsidiary, I think it is going to do super well. Absolutely bob on. So now I'd love to hear your comments below. Let us know what you think of the new 400 compared to the old 400, and if there's other tests that you'd like to see. Obviously, we're going to bring it up against the 362 and the 500i. But are there other brands you'd like to see this saw against to see how it compares, or would you like to see it with other different bar sizes? Would you like to see us fill in with it as well? So let us know in the comments below. But we're Machinery Nation, and we bring you videos every single week about tools and machinery. So I hope you enjoyed this one. We hope to see you again. Cheerio.
Keys, wallet, phone. Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go.